guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do a makeup tutorial going to the 70s. So that's why we have this kind of hairstyle, which I was inspired by Laura Lee. You guys know her, and I saw her with this hairstyle. I was like, oh my god, I love it. I have to do it for the next video. And I was like, you know what, that gives me the vibe of the 70s. So I was like, you know what, let's do a makeup tutorial going to the 70s makeup look. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So of course, the first thing I'm going to do is apply the Maybelline Fit Me matte Poreless, and I'm going to concentrate on my T-zone. And oh my god, I need to catch my breath because I went up the stairs, and oh my god, it's been a while that I don't take the stairs, and oh my god, I got so exhausted. I'm going to apply some orange concealer and going all the way out. After that, I'm going to use the Maybelline Brightening Cream Concealer to cover all these pimples that hopefully they're gonna go away. And it's been a rough week for me. That's why if you follow me on social media, that's why I haven't been on social media that much. The week has been passing so slow for me. I think it's when you're not, like when something's going wrong, things are not happening in a good way, I could say. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo CC cream, and I'm going to apply this just one pump because for me it's enough, especially because it's really high coverage. So yeah, so it's been really a hard week, not physically, it's been more mentally. So I have like my ups and downs. Yeah, so it's been so hard. That's why I haven't been on social media. Yesterday was again in those bad days. But yeah, so trying to just go day by day. But yeah, so let's talk about something more happy. I feel like everybody knows that now Cabello and Shawn Mendes broke up. I was like, why? I went on Instagram, I don't know what day, the day that they announced it. I think it was Monday or Tuesday, I don't know, but the day they announced it, like when it was all over social media, I was like, what's going on? Like there were so many pictures about them together. I was like, what's going on? So after that, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is in the color Light Sand. Now on the outside, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. After that, I'm going to contour the face. I don't know if during the 70s like the contour was dramatic. I feel like the blush was a little bit more intense than the contour. So let's contour the face. So besides that, I don't know if you follow me on social media, I told you guys that I bought some makeup from Ariana Grande. I don't know when it's gonna come, a long time. And so yeah, so I'm just like, I'm like, when is it gonna come? I feel like it's gonna come like at the beginning of December. So yeah, so but I'm so excited to try her makeup line. Oh my god. So yeah, so I'm waiting for that. Then what else is happening? ColourPop just recently launched on Thursday their holiday collection. I don't know if that's gonna be their permanent, like we can say like their permanent holiday collection, because you guys know that ColourPop tends to release frequent new collections. So I'm like, is that gonna be like the actual holiday collection? Let's now go into the blush. I'm going to use the ColourPop blush stick. This is in the color Picnic Time, because I feel like especially in the 70s, like the cheeks were kind of pinkish. We're gonna use another powder blush. So yeah, so like I was saying, like, so we'll see if that's gonna be like the actual holiday collection from ColourPop. But anyways, I bought it, so you guys will see that here. So I'm so excited. I will have the Christmas decoration behind me. But yeah, so excited. So that's that, the Ren Beauty. Now I'm still waiting for the Tres Luces palette from their holiday collection. Use the Milani Romantic Rose blush. I'm just going to apply this on top of the blush stick, just not to have that pink, just a tiny bit. I'm gonna use Becky Hernandez highlighter palette, which is the Jada's palette. Oh My Glow. She does YouTube in Spanish, and I'm gonna use the color Aura to highlight my face. As you guys can see, I use this a lot, so I'm just gonna highlight my face. Okay, so for this makeup look, I'm going to use two palettes. I'm going to use the I Am palette and one from BH Cosmetics. So I'm going to start with Tres Luces Beauty. This is from Becky G's line. You're not supposed to do this with a brush, but I don't have clean brushes. I'm going to use the color Light. I'm just going to set the concealer that I used before. So we start prepping our lids for the makeup. First color I'm going to use is this color called Happy. To apply this color on the crease like this. So it's gonna be, I feel like this color was very trending in the 70s, and right now it came back. Since this summer, this color was so trending, and I feel like it still is. I feel like this forest green, it's also coming again. Last year I feel like it was also in, and I feel like this year it's coming back. So I'm doing the same thing on this side. After that, I'm going to use the Switzerland palette from BH Cosmetics Travel Series. If you haven't watched it, we did 3 different makeups for 3 channels, so I will leave the link down below if you haven't watched that. We travel virtually with BH Cosmetics. To use this beautiful green, it's called Jaune Froid, and I'm basically going to do the shape of my lid and going out. From this palette, this was one of my favorite colors. We're gonna blend a little bit. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, just following the shape of my lid. After that, I'm going back with the I Am palette, and I'm going to use the color Hustle to apply this with a flat brush and basically just do my lid where I didn't touch with the other green. Do the same thing on this side. I haven't even started doing Christmas shopping. I'm like buying stuff which are like on sale, or like buying from here and there, but I haven't actually. Oh yeah, I started buying something for my mom. Okay, I shouldn't have said that because my mom is gonna watch this, but oh my god. Okay, so I started buying some things already, but I haven't really like do the Christmas shopping. I tend to do it, or like we like to do it last 2 weeks of November, when we actually know what we were gonna buy, because I feel like then December goes so fast. So after that, I'm going to start applying some mascara to start preparing the lashes before using some falsies. So after that, while I wait for the lashes to dry, I'm going to use again Jungfo from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm just going to apply this color underneath the eyes. And I was telling my soulmate that I used to wear like this kind of hairstyle, like I don't know, in your time, we like in my time I used to put it sideways, this part of the hair. It was so trending when I was in middle school, but yeah, everybody was wearing this kind of hair and I loved it. I told my soulmate that I used to wear like that my hair. And I remember that, of course, you guys know that our hair gets oily, which is normal. And I remember in middle school I had so many small pimples over here, and it was the first time I got pimples, and I was like, why do I have so many pimples? Like, what's going on? And it was because of my hair, because my hair was here, and of course it was oily, and of course it goes to the skin. But that never stopped me to put it in my hair like that. I didn't even care. I was like, you know what, it doesn't matter. But during the weekends I would have my hair up, let my forehead breathe, we would say. Going back with this Luce Beauty, using again Happy, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this green, touching the previous green, but also taking out this green. You know what I'm saying? Like, we could see a little bit, so it makes more sense. And on the bottom, it's not too dark, the makeup. We kind of make it, we want to make it kind of bright for this makeup. So I'm doing the same thing on the side. Now I'm going to apply these falsies, and I think I want to buy new ones because I feel like I want ones that are more more dramatic, a little bit more fluffy. So after that, I'm going to use the Air Volume Mega Mascara for my lower lashes. I want to highlight a little bit my brow bone, so I'm going to use the color Divina, and I'm going to use this with a smaller brush, and I'm just going to highlight this part. And I'm not going to highlight the inner corners because I feel like in the 70s the inner corner was matte. It wasn't really highlighted. Okay, so now moving on to the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lipstick, and this is in the color Abu Dhabi. On top of that, I'm going to use the Butter Gloss from NYX, and this is in the color Bit of Honey. And voila, here is the 70s makeup look. I love it so much. I feel like super cute, very trending, this color right now with this 70s makeup look, the hair and everything. Oh my god, I love it so much. I feel like it's so cute for right now for fall. Love how it looks, so cute. It goes with my nails. Just notice everything is green right now. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. And also, you guys, on my social media, don't forget that I have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.